Hey guys, Ellie here from Zeke Analytics, and for this week's eBay bestseller video, I decided to take the statistics of our previous video that we did, which are the top 10 best-selling categories on eBay. Cell phone accessories made it on the list twice, and they were at number 4 and number 3, which means those are the hot products at this time. So what I did with the information that I gathered, I went on eBay and found this product here. This is a wireless QI phone and watch charger for Samsung, and it's selling for $24.50. It is free shipping, and when we look at the product pictures, we can see that you may charge your phone or your watch. They offer this product in only black. So what I did next, after I gathered all of my information that I need from eBay, I went into Zeke Analytics and I typed in wireless QI phone and watch charger in the search bar. And when I scrolled down, I saw many items were selling similar to what I found on eBay, and the prices are pretty nice. The item on eBay that I found is number 6 on the list. Going to the top and clicking on the Scan on AliExpress button, I'm able to see what AliExpress offers under these keywords. So scrolling down to the product list and filtering out the price from lowest to highest, I actually scrolled down towards the middle of this page to find a product similar, and this is what I found. When you click on the title, it will open it up in the AliExpress website. So here at the top, you can see the amount of ratings this seller has. And these are great ratings. This is what we look for. Down here, we see the title, 2-in-1 QI fast charging quick wireless charger stand, pad for iPhone and mobile phone for Apple Watch 4.3 for Samsung Watch Gear S8. Scrolling down, we already see we have options. So for Apple Watch, W stands for white. So we already have the option to sell this in white or black. For Apple Watch, B stands for black. For Samsung Watch, white. And as you can see, the prices change for each item. So what I want to explain what this item is. It's a charger for your phone. Now you have the option to choose if this charger next to it is a charger for your Apple Watch or your Samsung Watch. And you also have the option to do only for phones. So here you have this photo where 2 phones are charging on this one wireless charger. And of course, again, you have the option to choose between white or black. Here we see the shipping is $5.99. So when comparing this item, we're going to go ahead and choose for Samsung Watch Black because that is what the eBay item offers us as well. Here the eBay item is selling for $24.50 only in black. Here we have an item selling in black for $12.23. Let's jump into the profit and conclusion part of this video. So at the top we have the eBay product, wireless QI phone and watch charger. The eBay price is $24.50 and the product niche is wireless QI phone and watch charger. Down below we have the AliExpress product with the title of 2-in-1 QI fast charging quick wireless charger stand. The AliExpress price is $12.23 for the Samsung Watch in black. The shipping price is $5.99, which brings the total cost to $18.22. Profit and conclusion. So let's say we were to sell our AliExpress products on eBay for $25, which is more than the competition, but we actually offer this product in 2 different colors, and we offer it for the iWatch as well as the Samsung Watch. So minus 14% of eBay and PayPal fees, minus 30 cents, which also fall in the eBay and PayPal fees, minus $18.22, which is our purchase price for the most expensive option in AliExpress, we get a profit of $2.98. When taking time to research what is selling on eBay, it is easier to find a product with profit. When using all the research tools you are given, making a profit is the easy part. That wraps up this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time.